The legendary Nissan GT-R. Few names in the automotive world carry as much weight. For over half a century, this icon has been the ultimate blend of Japanese engineering, brutal performance, and everyday usability. And now, as we step into 2025, Nissan has once again refined the beast. The 2025 Nissan GT-R is here, and it's more powerful, more refined, and more exhilarating than ever. From its humble beginnings as a Skyline variant to its evolution into a standalone supercar killer, the GT-R has continuously defied expectations. And with the 2025 model, Nissan has pushed the envelope even further. But how exactly has it evolved? What new technology, performance upgrades, and design refinements make this the best GT-R yet? Today, we're taking an in-depth look at everything you need to know about the 2025 Nissan GT-R. We'll cover its exterior and interior upgrades, performance specs, handling improvements, and how it stacks up against the competition. By the end of this video, you'll know whether this GT-R is the ultimate version of Godzilla or if Nissan still has more up its sleeve. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of one of the most legendary performance cars ever built. Segment 1. The evolution of the GT-R. Before we get into the specifics of the 2025 model, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The GT-R nameplate dates back to the late 1960s, when the first Skyline GT-R emerged as a high-performance sedan built to dominate Japanese racing circuits. But it was the R32 GT-R, introduced in 1989, that cemented its reputation as a global performance powerhouse. Equipped with Nissan's legendary RB26 twin-turbo inline-six and an advanced all-wheel drive system, the R32 was so dominant in racing that it earned the nickname Godzilla. The R33 and R34 models continued the legacy, each refining the formula and further solidifying the GT-R as a world-class sports car. Then came the R35 in 2007, a complete reinvention. It ditched the Skyline name and became a standalone supercar, featuring a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, an advanced dual-clutch transmission, and cutting-edge electronics. Over the years, Nissan has continuously updated and improved the R35, making it faster and sharper with each iteration. And now, in 2025, Nissan has once again refined the GT-R to push the limits of performance. But how does it stack up? Let's find out. Segment 2. Exterior design aerodynamics. One look at the 2025 GT-R, and you'll immediately notice that Nissan has fine-tuned the exterior. While it still retains the unmistakable GT-R silhouette, the design has been subtly reworked for improved aerodynamics and a more aggressive stance. The front fascia features a larger and more sculpted grille, which not only enhances cooling but also reduces drag. The redesigned LED headlights have a sharper, more futuristic look, while the bumper has been tweaked to improve airflow efficiency. Moving to the side profile, Nissan has refined the body lines for better aerodynamics without compromising the car's signature muscular stance. The side skirts and rear fenders have been reshaped to enhance high-speed stability. At the rear, the iconic quad-circular taillights remain, but they've been modernized with sleeker LED elements. The rear bumper has been redesigned with a more aggressive diffuser, aiding downforce and making the car look even more menacing. And of course, the massive rear wing is back, helping to keep the GT-R planted at high speeds. The 2025 model comes with new lightweight forged wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, designed to provide maximum grip and reduce unsprung weight. Overall, the exterior changes aren't just for show, they make the GT-R faster, more stable, and more capable than ever. Segment 3. Powertrain performance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood of the heart of the beast. The 2025 GT-R still features Nissan's hand-assembled 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, but it's been further refined to produce even more power. In its standard form, the engine now delivers 600 horsepower and 500 pounds-feet of torque, thanks to improved turbochargers, revised fuel mapping, and upgraded cooling components. For those craving even more power, the Nismo variant takes things up a notch with the staggering 650 horsepower, incorporating lightweight materials, larger turbos borrowed from the GT3 race car, and an enhanced exhaust system that not only improves flow but also delivers an even more intoxicating sound. Power is sent to all four wheels through Nissan's Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system, which has been recalibrated for faster response and improved torque vectoring. The 6-speed dual-clutch transmission has also been refined, offering quicker shifts and improved durability. With these upgrades, the 2025 GTR can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. Top speed, a blistering 205 miles per hour. But raw speed is just one part of the equation. Handling is where the GTR truly shines. Segment 4, Handling Driving Dynamics. Nissan has worked extensively on improving the GTR's handling, ensuring that it remains one of the most capable cars on the road and the track. The chassis has been reinforced with additional structural bracing, reducing flex and improving overall rigidity. The adaptive suspension has been upgraded with new dampers, allowing for better ride quality without sacrificing performance. Whether you're attacking corners on a track or cruising on the highway, the GTR adapts seamlessly to different driving conditions. The steering has also been refined, offering sharper response and improved feedback. Combined with the enhanced all-wheel drive system, the GTR provides incredible grip and confidence-inspiring control, even in challenging road conditions. New carbon ceramic brakes ensure that all this power can be tamed effectively, providing fade-free stopping power even under extreme driving conditions. The result, a car that feels razor-sharp, planted, and ready to take on anything in its path. Segment 5, Interior Technology. Inside the 2025 GTR, Nissan has focused on making the cabin more refined and driver-centric. While the basic layout remains familiar, the materials and technology have been significantly upgraded. The dashboard now features a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to display performance data, navigation, and driving modes. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger touchscreen, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with the premium Bose audio system for an immersive sound experience. The seats have been redesigned for better comfort and support, featuring high-quality Alcantara and leather upholstery. For those opting for the Nismo trim, carbon fiber bucket seats provide a more track-focused experience. Despite its supercar rivaling performance, the GTR remains a surprisingly practical daily driver. It has a usable trunk, comfortable seating for two, plus two occasional use rear seats, and all the modern tech you'd expect in a high-end sports car. Segment 6, Final Thoughts Competition. So, where does the 2025 GTR stand in the modern supercar world? With performance figures rivaling the likes of the Porsche 911 Turbo S, Audi R8, and even some Ferraris, the GTR continues to punch above its weight. While some argue that Nissan should have introduced an all-new generation by now, the constant refinements have kept the R35 relevant and competitive. And for those who love the raw, unfiltered driving experience that the GTR offers, the 2025 model is the best yet. Will this be the final evolution of the R35 before an all-new GTR arrives? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, Nissan's Godzilla is still a force to be reckoned with. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Nissan GTR. What do you think? Is this the ultimate version of Godzilla, or are you waiting for a completely new generation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth automotive content here on Auto Apex.